Standard features, Wi-Fi, solar power, there's a lot to be excited about from Elkridge. So let's talk about what's new in 2023 from Elkridge. As I just said, here we are in the all-new 37 RED rear entertaining den. This floor plan was designed for you, the customer. Your voice was reflected in this layout. You've got opposing slides, so you have a lot of space. You double the amount of storage in each slide, as well as the amount of natural light, because both slides have windows that are going to open. So it's very bright in this floor plan. This was designed because customers want cross-conversational seating and they don't want to be cranking their neck and be comfortable when they're utilizing the entertaining area. As I mentioned in the intro, because this is made by Elkridge, you get so many standard features, like a smart TV. So you want to stream YouTube or any of the apps that are out there, you can do that with this app. You want to be able to power your devices, you can do that even without shore power. Because it's Elkridge, you're getting solar power ready to go. Sol 380 is going to be standard. What's also going to be standard? Your JBL audio system and this beautiful fireplace. Now, the other thing that you're going to see that's new for 2023 is this all new interior. Brand new flooring layout, brand new colors here on the wall, brand new countertops. This new veined solid surface countertop is a beautiful look. This design also, you want to be able to continue that cross-conversational when you're doing your meal prep. So by turning the dinette that you would normally see in the slide out, you are able to accomplish just that. And again, it's just a beautiful look. And again, you get more natural light coming all the way back to this entry door here. Very, very nice. In terms of appliances, you're getting more residential, okay? A residential oven, stove, glass top to utilize that counter space, your appliance, as well as this stainless steel refrigerator. Just a beautiful look in this beautiful brand new floor plan. Also, when you come into the coach is where you're gonna find that deep single bowl sink, high-rise faucet, so all standard pots and pans are gonna fit. Beautiful accent here with this nice off color of the black cabinets overhead. In the bedroom is where you're going to find the gateway router, giving you the assurance that you are set up for Wi-Fi. No cables going out the windows, going out the door. We've advanced that technology. This will work with any phone service provider. It's ready to go in Elkridge. Also, when you are done at the end of your day, we're here in the bedroom. You've got nice utility in this built-in dresser, natural light here, so it's very, very bright in your bedroom. When we talk about at the end of your evening, you've got this beautiful 70 by 80 king size bed, east-west facing, and here within the slide out, okay, to maximize the space, you have additional windows and privacy. You also have USB power and 110 as well. And if all the standard features aren't enough, we're giving you what is essential, which is storage. You have this beautiful built-in closet, and that's where you're gonna find your washer dryer prep. Cross-conversational seating is what you're looking for in a brand new floor plan for 2023. We invite you to learn more about the all-new and very beautiful 37 rear entertaining den from Elkridge.